What a beautiful day. A bit of clouds, but no signs of rain. Weather is perfect. I think mid 20s. Time now is 8:30. That's where the breakfast is of this resort. We'll be heading down. That's a lobby area. So, plan today is we are going on a tour to a temple called Tirta Empul, and there's a waterfall not too far from there. It's called Tegenungan waterfall. So we're going to explore those two places, plus see if the time allows where else we can go. So like I said, time now is 8:30. We're going to head down, have a breakfast, and then our car will be here by like 9:30ish, and that's what's planned for the day so far. So tag along and hopefully you enjoy this journey with us. That's a breakfast sorted. Car is waiting outside. Let's go to Tirta Empul and Tegenungan waterfall. I'll get it right once. That's our friend Vayan for the day.
Hello.
He's going to take us to Tirta Empul Temple and Tegenungan waterfall. Did I say it right? Tegenungan? Yeah.
Tegenungan waterfall.
How do you say it?
Tegenungan waterfall.
Tegenungan?
Yes.
Ah, it's Tegenungan waterfall, not Tegenungan.
And butterfly park, yeah?
And maybe butterfly park too. Yeah, we'll see how the time allows. The weather is a bit cloudy, overcast. Hopefully it doesn't rain. We'll see how it goes.
Yes.
Welcome to Tirta Empul, one of the most sacred temples of Bali. Built in the 10th century, this temple is famous for its holy water springs. People from all over come over here to do a purification ceremony called Melukat. You can either do it with a guided tour or independently. That's my purification process done. Hopefully I'm purified enough now. Must visit place, I would say, highly recommend Tirta Empul Temple in Bali. It's only a couple of hours from Seminyak where we're staying, and this is one of the very, how should I say, very peaceful meditating experience. Really love it. So as you are heading out from the Tirta Empul Temple, you come across this shopping street before the exit. I'll show you. So this is where you exit from Tirta Empul Temple. Very beautiful shops, beautiful traditional Bali wear. Take Indian currency.
Yes, I take Indian currency. 100 Indian.
We from Australia.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi, finally we are out of the maze, I hope. This is not where we are. Where are we? Probably have to go around in the parking. So we've decided to do a stopover at a coffee plantation, Satria, that's what it's called. Just going to check it out, have a quick look around before we go to the waterfall. So we're going to check out the coffee plantation and the famous Luwak coffee as well. It's all coffee plants. Not going to spend too much time here.
Luwak. It's kind of a monkey.
So that's a Luwak, it's kind of a cat.
Yeah.
It goes and eats certain kind of berries and then it poops out.
Yes.
And then they process that and get the beans out of that.
Yes.
And that beans are processed into Luwak coffee. Apparently, it's the most expensive coffee in the world. Luwak coffee. One process to another. Australia. 7. That's a process they're showing to process the coffee. First they beat it, the beans. And then they roast it. There you go. That's actually the poop of Luwak animal.
What is that?
This is famous Luwak. It's more active at night.
Red rice, high calcium for bones. Ginger tea.
The other free samples, you get various different types of flavors of coffee. But I'm going to try just a Luwak. Now just be mindful, if you want to try Luwak coffee, there's a price for this. These samples are for free. But for Luwak coffee, there's a charge of 55,000 Indonesian rupees, which is like $5.50 Australian for 1 cup. So yeah, good experience so far. Very nice view, and especially the weather is perfect like that. Can't ask for anything more. There is a swing somewhere around here, but none of us are interested in a swing. But if it's your thing, go for it. Famous Luwak coffee, or poo coffee. This coffee is made out of poo of the animal we showed you before. So let's give it a try. That's a punch. If you're a coffee lover, you'll probably like it. It's got a very strong taste. That was a nice little spot. Good experience, highly recommend it. Now next stop, Tegenungan waterfall. Let's go. So here we are at Tegenungan waterfall. Time now is around 4 o'clock. This place closes at 6. There's an entrance ticket of 30,000 Indonesian rupees per person, which you'll have to pay as you enter, which we've done. So now just waiting to head down to the waterfall, which is behind me. Let's go. Tegenungan waterfall. Hey. Time to jump in. Tegenungan waterfall. Let's go. Very uneven surface. You got to be very careful when going in. That was Tegenungan fall for you guys. Very interesting experience. We are in Bali. Obviously there are a lot of waterfalls in Bali, but the good thing about this waterfall is it's got least amount of walking. So if you're not a fan of walking or too many steps, that's where Tegenungan Falls is suitable for you. There is a swing thingy as well where you can get on and take a photo. Cost 100k rupiah, $10 Australian. None of us are interested, but something for you to explore if you are into this thing. That's a walkway That's the bridge where we're going to go back. That's the bridge where we're going to go back. And that's a walkway. And we're going to go all the way up there. That's the starting point. The time now is 5 o'clock. We're just going to head back to the resort in Seminyak. Nothing much is planned after this. We're just going to see if there's anything interesting happening in Seminyak. I'll capture that. And otherwise, I'll see you next day. Pretty sure there'll be something. We'll go for a walk if nothing else. So it's only 5 o'clock. By the time we reach resort, it'll be 6 or 6:30. So yeah, that's what the plan is so far. And behind me there are toilets and change areas as well, but there are no towels provided. Make sure you bring your own towels. But there's a change area and toilet on donation basis. Pretty cool.